Welcome everyone. I'm Raven Kramer, a realtor with Key Realty. I am delighted to showcase this incredible home located in the desirable Fitzgerald subdivision of Huron. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty and sophistication of this stunning 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property. Welcome to your dream home located at 3915 James Avenue, offering a convenient and luxurious lifestyle situated just moments away from the Plum Brook Golf Course, local shopping, restaurants, Cedar Point, and many other local amenities. As you step inside this remarkable residence, you'll be greeted by nearly 1,700 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, providing ample room and storage throughout. Nestled on 1/3 of an acre, this home offers the perfect balance between privacy and a sense of community. The main level boasts an array of impressive features, including a recently remodeled kitchen, ensuring a perfect blend of style, charm, and functionality. A cozy fireplace, perfect for family gatherings or enjoying chilling nights in. I can't forget about this incredible basement, offering endless possibilities for fun, with a built-in bar and billiards table for friendly competitions, ample space for additional living area, a playroom, or even a versatile space that can serve as a 4th bedroom. Don't miss the chance to make this exceptional property your own. Schedule a showing today and prepare to be captivated by the charm, elegance, and endless possibilities that await in this remarkable Huron home. I'm Raven Kramer with Key Realty, and it's been a pleasure sharing my latest listing with you, providing the luxury real estate service that everyone deserves, every step of the way. Call today to set up your private tour before it's too late. 419-746-0777.